Hello everyone, welcome back to another random video. Today's random video is an Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set. Okay, so let's get to this. All right, so right out the box we have the Icon case it comes with. It is polymer, I believe. I'm not so sure. It's kind of like a rugged kind of texture to it. It's kind of like an anti-skid type of padding, coating, whatever you want to call it. Okay, sliding mechanism. Like it. And here is the inside. So let's talk about the size right here. Okay, and in the case, right under 5 inches, you can see right there. About right under 1.5 inches sticking out with the bits. All right, here we go. You guys want to see that? Okay, about 1/2 inch in height. Gives you enough clearance for hard to reach areas. And what I like about this thing is the flex head. All right, look at that. And it's a locking flex head. So this thing ain't going nowhere. I mean, I'm pretty sure you put full force in this thing, it will eventually bend, right? So we're going with a hex right here. Look at that. Full angle right there. The extension. Look at that thing. Magnetic. It's pretty tight. Strong magnet right there. So you're going at a hard to reach area. There you go, look at that. Can't really lose your spot there. All right, you yank it, that thing gonna bend out. Press. Gonna press right there. Look at that. Okay. The bits are cool. This is something to must, right? Now you're converting into a full ratchet. Now with it, you're right about 8 inches. Almost 8 inches, look at that. Yeah, look at that, that's perfect right there. Hard to reach area. You get at it, pin detent. Reversible switch. All right, so now we have the attachments, right? So this is the whole trick to this. You have these little grooves right here. You see that right there? And the indicator where it slides in there. And as I'll show you guys what it means. See that? It will not go in. It has some sort of mechanism that's gonna prevent it from going in. So it has a little indicator there for it could slide in. It's like laser etched, and it slides in right in there. Okay, look at that. Now you have your converted T-handle with the extension. So now you can go with the bit. Same thing. You gotta pull full force and get to the harder reach or tight spot right there. This is perfect. Or a socket, you're gonna put that right there. It's magnetic as well, so the bit is pretty strong. Put the little socket there so you can put a little torque if it's nothing that hard. Tiny, something really slightly. Now that stays there, right? Now this, look at that. The pin detent that's on that little thing is pretty strong. It will not release the bit that easy. So if you're working under the hood or something greasy, it's not gonna slide out fast. It's gonna stay in there. You don't want to compare it to a regular ratchet, right? This is your 1/4 inch ratchet. I like the socket release for the pin detent. So this doesn't have it. Okay, that's probably the only thing I wouldn't like about it, but you see you're wrenching, this thing gonna come off. Put it on here, it's tight in there, you know, you're ratcheting in there, but when it's time to remove another socket, the little hex adapter will come out with it. And maybe it'll get stuck in there too as well. So if you're really gonna be using this as a main tool, that's only con, but you're really not gonna be using this as a regular ratchet. So this is something you're gonna have to get to a hard to reach area. This is a perfect little thing to have in your toolbox or tote bag or a bag or everyday use type of thing, or small little jobs you have. This is perfect. I like this right here. All right, just a perfect little example right here. Let's check this out. And again, you don't need this extension, so something this small. Go right in. Little switcheroo right there. Tighten that up. And it's perfect in your palm right there. So, and then you don't have to use it this way either. So if it's something simple, you just reach over and hand tighten it and you're good to go. So, and then again, this doesn't matter where it goes in, so you can see that right there. Doesn't matter, and it won't go in this way, because that's what's preventing it from sliding in or going through all the way. This here, it's a lifetime guarantee for Harbor Freight, made in Taiwan, but nowadays a lot of professional tools are made in Taiwan. And this Williams ratchet, made in Taiwan, but it's been hammered, it's been everything, it's been tortured, and they're good tools. They're just trying to save you $1. So here, while I was talking, I was trying to remove this bit. You can place it in there, and it's pretty snug. Now let's try this part right here. Full force twist, nothing happens there, right? Let's open it up. Everything's intact. Look at that. So far so good. Look at that, guys. Fits snug tight in the pack out. All right, guys, let's check out the weight on this thing right here, just for anybody who's curious. All right, we're down to zeros. Right under 13 ounces, 12.8 ounces to be exact. All right, look at that. So this set came in right under it was $39. I'll put it somewhere right here in the video on the shelf. $39.99, where it says it right here. You guys wanna pause the video or something. With the 15% off coupon, was a total off of $6. Came down to $33.99. Look at our taxes, guys. Let's go to Southern California. So it wasn't bad as a price with tax. The discount, $37.47. It ain't bad at all. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more random videos. I hope you guys like this one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the future videos, all the random future videos I'll be posting. And hope you guys enjoy this one, guys. You guys have a good one.